Hey everyone, if you run a roofing or home service business and you advertise on Facebook or Instagram, you need to see this because the game has changed in 2025. Meta rolled out a massive update called Meta Andromeda. It changed ads get delivered, and if you don't adapt, your ads will struggle. But don't worry, BizSmashers here to walk you through a strategy that works now. By the way, end of this video, you will know exactly how to build a Facebook ad campaigns for your roofing business that generate leads and even under the new system. So let's dive into the slides. What is Meta Andromeda basically and why it matters in 2026? Meta Andromeda is the new AI powered ad delivery engine for Facebook and Instagram ads. Instead of relying heavily on predefined audience targeting, Andromeda uses machine learning to match ad creatives with users in real time based on behavior, context, and patterns. So, in short, Meta now says who should see this ad and more which ad creative will resonate with this person. For advertisers and for business owners, this means creative matters more than micro targeting. Good creatives equal to high chances your ad shows to the right people at the right time. So why old Facebook ads and best practices are breaking. Strategies like building many small audience segments, hyper narrow targeting for roofers, or relying on a few ad creatives just like a posters or banners. This worked before, but under Andromeda, they often underperform. Small businesses or like small roofers or who have really starting their roofing business, they feel like it when the algorithm doesn't have enough volume. The AI may optimize it for triggers like clicks or engagement, not actual lists, which hurts real results. So also, ad fatigue faster now. If you keep showing similar creative, this system suppresses them. So what works now, 2026 was a proven strategy system for roofers. Here is the updated playbook that works under Andromeda. So let's dive into the slide. Facebook strategy for roofers. So what changed in Facebook ads for roofer? AI chooses the viewers based on behavior, targeting less important, creative signals matter more, broad targeting preferred. And why old roofing ads fail basically? So they're over targeting, not enough creative. They just like make a posters to give the designer $2 and just make a blah 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 posters. And the poor funnel, they have no automation before 2025. Also in 2025, this is not working in 2026. So what's the 2026 winning strategy? The broad targeting, creative diversity, 10 plus variations, the simple CBO structure, the landing page funnel, also AI automation. The creative examples, what like creative should be for your roofing business in 2026. So emergency repair ads, storm damage claim ads, pre-inspections, before after videos, drone footage, seasonal offers, also customer behavior. So Meta has a recent update which called Jammed. This is basically decide your contents, which content Meta show in your audience. So what's the campaign structure should be? The campaign structure, one campaign, one or two ad set. Basically I highly recommend for using one ad set, and under the one ad set using the five creatives. So budget plan, I would highly recommend you to starting with $50 per day. The minimum is $25 per day, but recommended is $50 per day. But when you're getting the genuine results, you start getting real leads. So it scale up into 75 into $150 per day. So what's the landing page flow? Your landing page is not just a website, it's a funnel. So people come through your landing page through ad, and they visit your landing page and fill the form, and we set up the AI automation, AI follow up, and the other stuff is do AI after then setting the appointment. And AI automation with go high level, what really go high level and how it helps you. It basically helps in auto text replies, and sometimes it give auto calls, also qualification steps and appointment scheduling, follow up reminders. And the final takeaway is broad targeting wins, creative diversity is key, simplify structure, automate follow-ups, refresh ads every 2 or 4 weeks. So basically I'm gonna show you practically how to run our best roofing ads for roofers, and I will show you a great example for how should be a landing page and what should be your funnel and how we can help you. So let's dive into Facebook Ads Manager. and show you how to set up the ad. Yeah, we create the campaign for one of our clients, and so here you can see we have a lot of leads here. Just go create and definitely go with leads. Just name this campaign like roofing camp for roofing camp in Texas. Budget started with $40 per day, and special category is not needed, but sometimes if the ad got rejected you can use the housing, so I'm not use it here. Also, let's go on the ad set. The conversion location is website and instant form we use because our customer also come with our ad instant forms, also with landing page instant forms, so we can use the both. And yeah, you must should be have a pixel, because if you don't have any pixel or setup conversion API in your website, you don't gather any data which you receive from your ads also in the other side. So Facebook conversion API and pixel, it must be needed in 2026. um, I would highly recommend to targeting should be broad. Don't need it any narrow targeting, because Meta AI know how to wire and how show your ads to your audience. So scroll down. I don't do any detailed targeting here. So the game is in your creative, how to present your business to your audience and what's your service basically. So the whole game played in your creative sets. Let's dive here, and you can use, yeah, 5 ads under one ad set, or and duplicate. Yeah, that's simple, nothing complicated here. And this is the exact example how should be a landing page for a roofer. You can see they get offer in their headline, limited time free back bundle offer expires, spray on shingle shield. Also they present their some products, and here they have a very good call to action. And you can see the headline is more attractive: give your roof 5 more years in one afternoon, and people feel more confident here. So, and they also fill the form and they add some their customer reviews. Yeah, this is the exactly example of the best landing page. Yeah, this is the simple strategy. And if you want to know how to create creatives or how to create Facebook ad images or also other stuffs, definitely I will show you in the next video. So till then, stay safe, have a great day. I'm Shipat from BizSmashers.